Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add Adsense to Wix website. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your dashboard, and then here you're gonna have to simply go to the ads section. So let's wait until this loads up, and you're gonna have to go to settings, and then here you're gonna have different options. So you can simply go and search for AdSense, and we should have the option. So as you can see, apps for your site. So Wix monetize with AdSense. So simply click on that, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply add this to your site. And after that, so as you can see, I'm using my ad blocker, so I'm gonna have to click on proceed, and let's see. So let me disable my ad block. Let's refresh this page. So I'm gonna go and disable the ad block. So let's see where it is, and then so let's see. So after that, you're gonna be able to add the extension, and basically with this extension we're gonna be able to install ads. So you're gonna have to connect our AdSense account. So basically when you go to AdSense, you're gonna have to go to the editor, and let's click on done here, and let's click on open, and now we should be able to add ads to our website. So let's wait until this loads up, and then so as you can see, we have the app right here, and then click on add to site, and now as you can see, adding Wix monetization, and as you can see, connect your Google AdSense account to display ads. So you're gonna have to simply click on manage, and then simply connect your Google AdSense account, and basically that's it. But as you can see, in order to earn money, you're gonna have to add a domain. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching.